In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Exponential Moving Average or EMA in Robinhood Legend. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add the EMA indicator to your chart and customize its colors directly from the settings menu in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend and open your chart workspace. Once you are on the chart screen, move to the upper right-hand corner and look for the Indicators icon located just below the Add Widget option. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators panel. From the panel, click Add Indicator to access the list of available indicators. After opening the list, you can either scroll through the available options or use the search box to find the indicator faster. Type EMA in the search box or continue scrolling until you find Exponential Moving Average in the list. Once you locate EMA, click on it to add it to your chart. The indicator will immediately appear on the chart and become active in your workspace. After adding the EMA indicator, locate it in the Indicators section. Beside the EMA name, click on the Settings option to open the Customization menu. Inside the Settings panel, you will see options that allow you to customize the appearance of the indicator. From here, you can change the colors used for the EMA display to match your preferred chart setup. Select the colors you want and apply the changes directly from the Settings menu. As you make changes, the indicator will update automatically on your chart. If you want to adjust the colors again later, return to the Indicators panel and click Settings beside the EMA indicator to reopen the customization options. Once you finish customizing the colors, the EMA indicator will remain active on your chart and continue displaying with your selected settings while you use Robinhood Legend.